Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple. What stands out, what to check, and who the BeGyoku Overbed table is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Height adjustable overbed table sit stand desk with a tension knob of a bedside table. The hospital bed table that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Rolling bed table hidden casters. The overbed bedside table has 4 hidden casters, flexible to move anywhere. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Durable hospital bedside table wood finish and H-style base white medical table is easy to wipe clean and has a soft. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are top rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it read more read less. My simple verdict: the BeGyoku Overbed table looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.